In this video, I will show you how easy it is to recreate this beautiful two-tone gender reveal viral cake. It's actually very simple to do, and you guys can apply the same techniques for another theme. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I stacked my cake and I did a crumb coat and pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I divided my cake by placing a parchment paper halfway from one end to another. Once I placed the parchment paper in place, I was able now to do my first color. So I decided to go with blue. Remove the excess and then smooth out everything using your metal scraper. Once you're done doing one side, you're going to pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes before you're going to remove the parchment paper. And then you can gently remove, look how clean this line is. And then you're going to repeat the same thing using another parchment paper, but this time on the blue part. So like that, you will have a really sharp edge with the other color of your choice. In my case, it was pink. So once again, once the parchment paper is in place, you can go ahead and then cover the other side with the color of your choice. What I like about this technique is the fact that the parchment paper is there. It actually gives you like a protection so that the other color doesn't get smudged. So it's a really cool way to really separate the colors. And then once again, you would scrape off the excess and making sure that everything is nice and smooth. By the way, I decorated this cake with an American buttercream, and I actually made a video of it. So if you haven't watched it yet, I would highly suggest you guys going to watch it. Once you have both colors, you can gently remove the parchment paper. And then, ta-da, you have both colors. How beautiful this is. And then if you want to smooth everything out, you can use your metal spatula and go back and forth so that everything is nice and smooth. The cake was topped with adorable little bears. I didn't explain in the video how to go about with those little bears, but I have so many videos that you guys can go and watch where I show you how to make cute little bears. I also decorated the cake with a boy or girl tag at the front of the cake. This was actually made with an embosser and a cookie cutter that is available in my Etsy shop. The link of my shop will be in the description box of this video. Finished the look with cute little spheres, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you in the next one. Mwah!